some things are worth the fight.
Absolutely no model in this shot. There was no camera operator, no lighting, no camera crews, no stylist, no physical location. In fact, none of what you just watched was filmed. It was entirely generated using Seedance 2.5. But today, I'm testing a much harder claim. Can Seedance 2.5 produce a high quality ad that a real brand could actually publish? Not one lucky 5 seconds clip, a complete ad campaign with a consistent model, consistent clothing, controlled camera movements, multiple locations, and a finished 30 seconds ad video. I am going to record every generation, every failure, every retrial, how long the process is going to take, and what costs I may accrue so far. At the end, Seedance 2.5 will receive the final verdict. Can it actually replace a traditional fashion shoot, or is it just an impressive AI tool that collapsed under the pressure? This is the board AI. Let's get tested. To make this fair, I will treat Seedance 2.5 like a real production team and not a toy. So far, I have written a fictional client brief. They need a cinematic 30 seconds perfume ad aimed at female within the age of 18 to 35. The campaign needs to feel premium, confident, editorial. The model must remain recognizable across every scene generation. And because this is supposedly supposed to be a real production shoot, here are 5 things I will be judging so far. Visual quality. Does it genuinely look like a real production? Consistency. Does the same person or outfit survive across the various scenes? Control. Does Seedance follow my directions, or does it simply create something vaguely attractive? Efficiency. How many attempts, credit, does it take to produce usable footage? And finally, publishability. Would I confidently send the finished product to a paying client? The first job is creating our model. Thankfully enough, I already have a model in mind, already created and ready to get to the job. I have deliberately chosen a product and a team that I think the AI will struggle with without prompting. I came across an ad by Chanel and I want to copy the same ad, basically replicate the same structure of the ad because the ad felt premium. It's going to take me 24 to 48 hours for me to come up with the briefing, the design, the setup, and really drill down on what the prompt should be like, scene by scene, breaking down every scene, every angle, every camera movement, just for me to replicate that. But thankfully enough, I do not have to go through all the stress because OpenArt have a unique feature called Ad Remake. Hear me out. I'm not saying it's wrong to copy another person, but come to think of it, you see a lovely ad, you think this ad resonates with your product or your brand, you want to replicate the same thing, but you know that you need to understand the ad, drill down every single piece of the ad, from the shots, from the model, the consistency, the character, the Bible sheet, the props, the lightning. You need to really drill down to get the perfect ad or to replicate the perfect ad. But OpenArt have said, don't worry, give me the video, I will help you replicate the ad. And that does it. Now, the claim is strong. We're gonna test it to see how consistent will it keep the characters. Is it able to replicate the character, take out the model from the original video and replace it with our own model? Probably blur out the brand name in the original video and still keep the product's design intact. My biggest challenge is when I watch this video, there is some sort of enigmatic scene I think the AI may struggle with, but Cadence 2.5 have claimed to be the strongest model so far, and we are here to test it to see, is it just some fancy name, or under pressure will it deliver? Let's get tested. Okay, so right now I've come up to my portal, OpenArt, and you can see right here is the Ad Remake. If I'm to open this up, you would see create your ad remake, and I think it should have some sort of intro somewhere surrounding that. So basically it's supposed to remake an ad you've seen so far. So I'm going to go to my ad remake, and you see here optional, do you want to import your own character? I will be using my own character, or you could describe the character you want to use. But since I already have my own model, I will be getting my model fixed right here. So that's it. I'm going to upload my model. The character reference has been added. Next is the product. So the product I want to use is the Chanel. I'm going to get an image of the Chanel in question. I'm going to upload the product image right here. And this is from Chanel or Chanel. Well, okay. We have that there. Which video do you want to remake? I have a copy of the video which I'm going to upload right here to see if it's going to follow the same pattern. Once we're done with the generation, I will play the original video and play you my own video for you to judge which of the video, for you to judge if it's able to really remake the video. Stay tuned, do not go anywhere, like, share and subscribe. I'm going to upload the video right here of the Chanel product, follow reference video, yeah, aspect ratio, I'm gonna confirm is 16:9, okay. I will say swap the model with my own model using the character sheet, using the character reference that was uploaded. Keep her unique dark skin tone and facial feature. Moment of truth. Let's see what comes up next. I'm going to click on start remaking. Right now our remake is reviewing the video I want to copy, breaking each scene down by camera movement, location, lighting, and everything it needs to understand what the video is about and how to recreate it. As you can see right here, it's breaking it down into various scenes, and it really, I just picked up my instruction to keep my model and dark skin tone intact. But so far it's reviewed the job and waiting to render. But it's asking me to confirm some certain things. Now, before we move forward, and for us to know how much it's going to cost, my starting credit is around 3,132 so far. We would know the cost to remake a single video, and does the cost really justify it? If we're to use a real production team, what could be the actual cost, and does it compare to the amount you're going to use in credits to generate this video? I'm going to choose the best model, 2.5. So it read my source file. It's a 29 seconds out of video, and I've chosen to use the Cadence 2.5. Now for the quality of the video, I'm conflicted at the moment. Should I keep it for 480p even though we're testing, or 720? Okay, I think I will stick with the 480 since you're doing just the testing. The quality of the video may or may not matter. What we're looking for is character consistency and if the model is able to replicate the same video. So I will stick with the 480 for now and see how it goes. How long should the remake ad run? I'm going to keep the same ad with the same length. Delivery is locked, and to further lock this delivery, please log in by clicking the like button, share and subscribe so the algorithm can push our videos to more people. Your support is needed for me to keep making videos like this to test AI tools. One good thing about the ad remake feature from OpenArt is that It analyzes the video to understand camera angles, the lighting, the scenes. It breaks down each scene in bits so that it can take the same concept and replicate it for you, your own ads. So right now it was able to analyze the video, which is right here. It loaded the video, reviewed the product, and now it's trying to swap the images because I gave a clear instruction. The model in the original video will be swapped with my own character, and I think it may have done that on the back end. But being truthful to you, this is my first time testing out this product, so I'm also looking forward for positivity towards this. I just hope I don't waste credits and don't get the result, because I'm treating this like a real production for a client, and I would like to get the best possible output from the product itself. This is my first time testing the product to see if truly it stands out, holds up to its claim to remake any art. Our starting credit was over 3,000 plus. So far, we're down to 2009. It's more than 200 credits being used so far, and I have seen nothing on the dashboard, just a breakdown on the back end of what my video is all about. So far, no image has been generated, no scene has been generated. I'm hoping it really treats this as a real production, because think of the possibilities that could come from having you steal the art copy of any brand. You could basically replicate the same success of any brand with yours without you going through the production design and the storyboard. You could literally steal the success of any brand and replicate for yourself. Hopefully, OpenArt Ad Remake would help us achieve this. After much waiting for it to break down the scene of the video, it came up with the script it think it read, and it cloned the script itself. So let's take a look at the script to see if we need to do some edits whatsoever, and for you to understand what it actually did on the back end. So I may not be able to read all this through. When I watched the video, the original video, I got the concept, so I could skim through what is written so far to understand if it actually did what was shown in the original video. And I know that I feel there's a part the AI may have difficulty, and that is in segment 1, in neon mirror maze. There's a scene in the original video where the character of the model had some sort of wobbly effect, and I'm looking forward to see how Cedars will be able to capture that. I just have the feel it may flop. I'm having high hope it would really shame my thought towards it, but let's see how it goes so far, because I know for a fact in segment 1 for the neon mirror maze it may flop there, but no problem. Let's see how it goes. Other scenes it's much easier to tackle, but the maze part of it is what I think the AI might have some level of difficulty, because this is a real production. Okay, so far so good. The edit is nice, the scene is nice, it broke down everything. The wide tracking shot, static medium shot. Okay. So we're gonna save and confirm, and fingers crossed the video has started. The script is approved, and to get the script also approved from your end, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so it took quite a while, but it's showing the video is complete. This will be the first time I'm watching the video with you. Hopeful the character will remain consistent. Let me give you a preview of what the character is and looks like. This is the girl, a very dark skinned girl, and I mentioned that the Cedars 2.5 should keep her dark skin tone consistent and her facial structure. Most importantly, her dark skin feature, because that's our unique selling point. I'm watching the video also with you for the first time, hopefully that will be kept consistent across every scene that will be generated. And also the scene of the maze where I feel it will struggle to understand. No more talk. Let's watch the original video. Then you let me know if you think
Chance, au Splendide, le nouveau parfum.
compared to the original video, was it able to generate or remake video? Now, my starting credit was over 3,000 and I'm down with 403 credits left. That is, I spent over 2,005 plus credit to generate a 30 seconds video. Now, I will not be biased. Leave your comment on the comment section and let me know yes or no. Was the ad replicated successfully? Until next time, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.